With Rensslear County was sentenced this morning. Brenda Kennedy pleaded guilty to stealing more than $200,000 from the county health department. Dan Bazile joined us now in the studio with more. Dan.
Kelly, good afternoon. Well, despite pleas from her attorney for probation, the judge sent her to prison for 1 to 3 years, and she still has to pay back all the money she stole.
I can't begin to express how sorry I am for what I did.
A tearful and seemingly remorseful Brenda Kennedy faced a judge in Rensslear County Court this morning, saying she can't take back what she did. What the 33-year-old did was stealing more than $200,000 from Rensslear County over a 5-year period.
But I would love to show that I'm not that person. I can learn from my mistake and get...
Kennedy, a former medical billing clerk for Rensslear County Department of Health, pled guilty back in October to grand larceny, falsifying business records, and defrauding the government. Her attorney, LaMarche, says there were talks about 5 years probation and restitution. He asked the judge for that kind of leniency.
But nobody wins with a state prison sentence. She's a mother of three children who are 13, 10, and 8.
LaMarche says Kennedy is already being punished. She cannot get a job, and it's as if she's walking around with a sign on her back.
It's been difficult for her to find work up to this point because the internet, you run her name and that's what comes up.
Prosecutors say they left it up to the judge's discretion. The 33-year-old Kennedy could have faced 1 1/3 to 4 years. She was sentenced to 1 to 3 years in state prison and paid $5,000 in restitution,
as well as signing a confession of judgment for the remainder to reimburse the insurance company that has already repaid Rensslear County.
I understand what the judge did. I respect his decision. It's a lot of money that was stolen. She's accepted responsibility for it.
LaMarche says in some respects he believes that they made an example out of his client. He says when they send someone to prison for stealing a substantial amount of money, it hopefully deters other people from stealing. Kelly?
All right. Thank you, Dan.